That was to the phone. Oh, I broke the minute. How could this shop be with myself? Yeah, no. Say what's up to the phone, Bonquisha. Hi. I'm Aquanisha, this Bonquisha. I'm just at the house studying. Ain't nothing else to do. We just got through watching Delano TV. Delano is my nigga, man. Delano TV YouTube. Follow him on Delano Froze. Y'all gotta go follow. It's Delano Froze. Delano Froze. Same Bonquisha. No, it's me. Anyway, I follow his sister too. Real Pio. A real nice Pio. And JoJo, whatever. We don't know him like that. No. We'll be watching. Anyway. If I ain't made a rap about the refrigerator rap, we're gonna have to do that one. We're gonna have to steal that one from. Okay. Ready, cuz. What's up, Mike? What we doing? All in my room. Got a fucking red. All in the room, busting niggas' lips. Lips. All in my room. Jeans. All in the room. Got a flip phone. Flip phone. Yeah. Motorola. What else we got? Got a cup of ice. And it's blue. Blue. All in the room. Got a Mickey Mouse cup. All Mickey Mouse two. The hubby. All in my room got the red pillows. All in the room got the NBA tie. All in my room ready to go back to Patricia. No, I'm Aquanisha. All in the room, stupid Bonquisha. All in the room got the open doors with the clothes. All in the room got a mirror, old school picture. Oh, don't show that. All in the room got the urn. Can't see it right now. Probably urn. I can see it. All in the room got Patricia Green. No, not playing. Patricia. What's this, girl? All in the room got Bookie Thong. What my hubby doing? All in my room got nope. No, man, crap. Got nail polish. Probably can't see that either. Polish. All in my room, scratching the neck. Crackhead. See, you just a crackhead. Stop smoking that crack. Crack? What is it then? Cheap perfume. Y'all can itch. I told you stop letting your boyfriend buy you that cheap stuff. I know you want to talk to Aquanisha because. But what we supposed to be doing a rep, man? All in the room. Let me find some real quick. Should be bad. Real quick. All in the room. Got the her neck. All in the room. Got the nurse shoes. Got the nurse slipper. What this shit is wrong. No. All in the room got the Christmas style. I'm sorry, I cleaned it up. All in the room got the good talking. It's broke. How to play it. It's broke. I almost hate it. All in the room got the belt. I don't feel like this today. All in the room, got the service lotion. All in the room, got the cup kissing, taking babies. All in my room, Mickey Mouse. All in the room, got the scrubber. Got the desk. Scrubber. Rubber dubby. It's from Walmart. You know, no, my mama had that anyway. Got the zip scrub. Clean all in the room. Got my grandma purse. A Sunday purse. All in the room. Got the little Avon Mickey Mouse pendant. Look at this there. That's enough food. You don't clean up my room real out. Light bulb. Okay, I'm sorry. Alright, bro. Come on. Real talk. No. Real talk. Out in the room. Got my red covers.
Got the clean
covers.
Out in the room. Got butt cheeks.
Ugh.
I'm just pointing.
Y'all smell it, but anyway. We got nothing else to do.
Aquanisha Bonquisha, sign out.
Sign out of what? We ain't on Facebook and Twitter.
Look. I'm tired of you, Sally.
Oh, smacking me with the curl. You know your curls dry. I'll lick your curl.
Yeah, I was trying to wait. Lick this shit.
Lick it. Hey, like, it's spicy. Lick it.